You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of these character, princess or queen. In Game of Thrones, we'll be looking at how to say more names from the series as well. Rhaenyra, Rhaenyra, with a stress on that second syllable. Rhaenyra Targaryen, Rhaenyra Targaryen, the Targaryen dynasty or dynasty. Rhaenyra Targaryen. It's easy, and now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.